Hello everyone, this is Jerry Hawes, the broker and owner of Everglades Real Estate Company. I'm presenting to you the subdivision of Windward Isle in Sunrise, Florida. This family-friendly subdivision is on the western edge of Broward County. Comprised of 3 to 5 bedroom single-family homes on lots between 6,000 and 8,000 square feet, this neighborhood is perfect for those families who like to be near everything. Within driving distances of less than 1 mile to the Sawgrass Mills Mall, the BB&T Center, and easy interstate access to the Sawgrass Expressway, you are within a 30-minute drive to most of South Florida. With an almost completed renovation to the neighborhood park named Sunrise Athletic Center, this neighborhood will have a top-of-the-line athletic complex within walking distance to your home. Homes in this neighborhood range from the high 300s up to $500,000. If you're thinking of selling your home in Windward Isle or interested in living in this wonderful subdivision, please reach out to me. Thank you.